How to redeem stars and rewards on Starbucks app. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to redeem your rewards from your Starbucks app. Open your application and simply click on your profile that's on the upper right corner of the screen. Here at the home page, you can actually see your star balance, and you actually need to reach at least 100 stars for you to redeem your reward. To redeem stars, you actually need to purchase, and for every purchase, you will receive a star for a specific amount. So going back to the profile, you can click on Starbucks rewards rather, and then you will be routed into a page wherein you will be able to view on your star balance, and that's where you'll be able to see as well on what are the current rewards that you are able to get, or the available rewards for you. So for you to get, or once you get to 100 rewards, you'll be able to see that you'll be enjoying a free drink, or you can select a food, or you'll also have a privilege to get a free drink or food on your birthday. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!